What a beautiful day. We just got like two of our laundry list or to-do list crossed off already. We got our laundry done. We're gonna get it on the same day, which was awesome. Number two, we got money back from our tour because we didn't take the bus. $32, 32 US dollars to be exact.
That's like a meal, okay? So
yeah.
We got some money back, which is great.
Right.
And now we're gonna look for a water fountain. That is where our tour guide is going to be.
It's a free walking tour. We subscribe to it, so make sure you place your reservations for it.
Oh, yeah,
because you know, like I think they have slots available, so many slots available for today, and especially today, it's a Saturday and a beautiful day, and we're glad that we got our reservations in this morning. Now we're gonna go to the spot, find our guide, and have the free walking tour around Cusco. Let's go. So cool.
Found the guy who was standing in front of the fountain, and he has the yellow vest on, and he said the guy should be here in about 10-15 minutes maybe. Hopefully they'll be here soon because we're all here on time, and I think there's actually a lot of people here. I think everyone who's sitting around the fountain is waiting to do this tour, so we will see.
We walked to the wrong location in our usual fashion. So we were kind of really close by like 5 minutes because the tour supposedly starts at 1 o'clock. And this place is called the Resigio something something, but on Google Maps it pops up as the Plaza del
something.
Replaca, or I don't know. Yeah, so we found our tour guide and they said it's going to start in 10 minutes.
Turn English here, please turn English. It's like that, friends. You need to like that, roll it, like that, roll it. Then you clap 3 times, like that. Smell deeply, smell deeply.
We just completed our tour with the Incan Milky Way, and it was a free tour for 2.5 hours. They do ask for tips at the end. It was so awesome because we've been here for 2 days already, and we weren't able to see all the like hidden areas of the town. So we were so glad that we did it. We're actually gonna go check out a supermarket that's like outdoors and see if there's some delicious food for us to try out.
Say that.
Sorry, there were kids behind you distracting me and trying to get my attention, so.
We are in a local market, and there are all these stalls where they set up food around, and you can just sit down and have lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever you want. And we're getting the local experience for sure. Nothing is more than 10 souls, which I'm really excited about. And when you see locals eating here, you know that you're getting the authentic experience.
So we ordered the lomo saltado, which is very popular here. It is pretty much beef with like peppers and onions, hopefully with some rice or potatoes. And then Bernard ordered the milanesa de pollo, which is like a breaded chicken. Yummy!
I'm excited.
So we're just waiting for our lady to cook, and we'll see what happens.
Gracias. Wow, look at this. This is Sweetie's beef. That looks so good. And it's only like 1/3 of the price of all the restaurants we've eaten so far. Gracias. I got my breaded chicken, and it's looking more awesome than I expected. I have French fries in it, avocado, and like a nice salad underneath. You know how much I love my rice, so I'm so excited to have white rice. Oh my god, it's coconut rice. It's really good. Good?
Gracias.
So we just eat like this?
I don't know. You bought it.
These final hats. We snazzy new bar. How do you like your sombrero? I'm having Peruvian coconut. Not quite the tropical coconut that you know, It tastes different too. It's more subtle and has a musky flavor. Do you want to try some? I guess I can just eat the whole thing like that. Very crunchy. Did you say I'm not supposed to eat it like that? This is a whole bag of that.
She's making fried dough fresh right now, and she just like doused it in sugar, and it's only one soul. She literally took like a whole like thing of dough and just tossed it into the hot oil. Bon appetit. Oh my gosh, too hot. Never mind.
Is there sugar on it?
Yeah, she put sugar all over it. Oh my god. This is like a youtiao, which is a Chinese fried dough. There is custard inside. Oh my god, this is like life-changing. It's hot.
Cute little road. We are like literally in a small little pathway that's cobblestone historical site. I don't know, these buildings are so well preserved.
Yeah, this area is known as Histórico Central.
Carl's coming.
And
the sideway pavements are so narrow.
there's a pizzeria.
Do you really want
What do you
pizza?
wanna eat?
I want like Peruvian food.
There's a Peruvian sandwich shop right here.
I want like Peruvian chicken. Down here. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting it to be so cold. It's really cold. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, locals were wearing puffer jackets.
And hats and scarves.
Alright, I'm starting. I just want like a Peruvian like chicken or grill.
Like restaurant. This one called Luña Raymond. It's a Peruvian restaurant.
No.
gonna try out this restaurant. It has about 480 good reviews on Google, so